Hey everyone, in this lesson I'm going to talk a little bit about how to use the switch on the Crumble robot. So to do this, first you're going to need a crocodile clip, and on the left hand side of the robot is a pin called SW1, and I'm going to connect it to input A on the Crumble. You can connect it to any input you like. I'm going to use A. And the idea here is that when you press the switch, that input A is going to become high. So we're going to get the robot to do something simple when A becomes high when you press the switch. So to do stuff like this, you need to use an if-then block. And we're going to say if A is high, then do something. I'm going to keep it pretty simple. I'm just going to make my robot go in a small circle. So I'm just going to drive motor 1 forward for 1 second and then stop. Now that looks like it's pretty much ready to go. If we have a go at running that, you will notice there's a problem. It doesn't actually work. And the reason for that is that the program starts, immediately checks to see if A is high, which it probably won't be because you're not holding the button down yet, and then it decides that it isn't high and just goes along to the end, and that's the end of the program. What we really want is for the program to be constantly checking to make sure A is high. And to do that, we need to use a do forever loop. So I'm just going to drag one of those out and put the whole of that block in there. And that way it's constantly coming back to the beginning. So if we give this a go, plug in your Crumble and click the green button, and you should find that when you press the button, the program runs.